Hello students, how are you? So let's start with 6th standard science subject. Students, we will see chapter number 16, garbage in, garbage out. Students, in previous video we have seen problem related to garbage disposal. So in that we have seen we have to recycle the things which we can reuse. For example, paper. So today we are going to see children how to recycle paper. Now we will see process how to recycle paper. So we will see process of recycling of paper. First of all, you have to take newspaper, soak newspaper and waste paper in water for a day or 2 days. You have to keep that newspaper in water. So and squeeze out the excess water. After that, means you have to take that paper, soak that papers or waste papers in water. After that, squeeze out the excess water. After that, you have to crush the soaked paper to get a paste. So we have to make a paste of it. After that, fill the bowl with water, paper paste in the bowl and stir it well. Now after doing that, immerse the frame of wire sieve in the watery suspension in the bowl. Now slowly remove the frame from the suspension and steadily place it in horizontal position. If you will keep it in horizontal position, the excess water will be removed from that. And now separate the layer of paste from the frame. Now after that, you have to separate that layer from that frame. Now wait for the water to drain, and thus we have the recycled paper as you can see it in the picture. So in this way we can recycle paper. Students, you have to also do this activity because we are having many rough pages along with us. So I am explaining this activity or the process which is given in your textbook. That is, you will require pieces of old newspapers, magazines, used envelopes, notebooks or any other paper. Keep it in your mind that you should not take plastics. Now do not use shiny plastic coated paper. You will also need a frame fitted with a wire mesh or a net, and you can also use a large sized sieve in place of a frame. Now tear the paper into small pieces, put them in a tub or a bucket and pour water in it. Means you have to keep it small pieces of that paper into a bucket which is full of then after that pour water into it. Let the pieces of paper remain submerged in water for a day. Make a thick paste of paper by pounding it. You have to make a paste of it. Then now spread the wet paste on the wire mesh fixed to the frame. Means you have to spread that paste on a wire mesh which is fitted into a frame. Put it gently to make the thickness of layer of the paste as uniform as possible. Means you have to spread it uniformly. Wait till water drains off. Means you have to keep it in such a way that excess water will remove from that. If required, spread an old cloth or a sheet of newspaper on the paste to let it soak up the extra water. If extra water will remain on that, if you will keep any cotton cloth or paper, so that cloth will soak the excess water from it. Now carefully remove the layer of paste from the frame. Spread it on a sheet of newspaper in the sun. Keep the corners of the newspaper sheet pressed by putting some weights so that these do not curl up. Always we are observing that the papers are the end corners are curling up. So if we will keep some weight on that, so it will not curl up. So we have to keep it weight on that, and you can add food color, pieces of dry leaves or flower petals or pieces of colored paper in the paste before spreading it. It would help you to get a recycled paper with a beautiful pattern on it. You can get a pattern also on that, as you can put flowers, leaves, whatever you will put, and after getting it dry, you can get a pattern on that. So in this way we have seen children today the process of recycling of paper, and it is very very important because we don't have value for paper, but you have to keep it in your mind that means papers are also prepared with the help of trees. If we will tear off the paper and we will throw it, ultimately it is affecting on trees, because all papers we are preparing with the help of trees. So keep it in your mind that. So be careful children while tearing off papers. Don't throw papers here and there, and please keep value for papers in your mind, and use whatever required, otherwise utilize it for another purpose. So thank you for your attention children, and again I would like to tell you that small actions done by hundreds of people add up to massive impact. If each and every child, each and every person, if will take care of all these things, so I think there should not be any problem related to garbage and related to trees also. So thank you for watching video children.